Did you know that there is a direct link between depression and poor sleep? Today, on our mini episode, we're going to find out 6 small steps to better sleep with Joseph Dzierzewski, who is the Vice President of Research and Scientific Affairs at the National Sleep Foundation. Join us for this mini episode and some really good information. Thanks so much. Welcome to the Teaching Your Toddler podcast.
This year marks the 25th anniversary of the National Sleep Foundation's Sleep Awareness Week, in which we release our Sleep in America poll results. This year, our poll focused on the important link between sleep health and mental health, the results of which were quite striking. We found that over 90% of adults who have good sleep health are also free of significant depressive symptoms. However, nearly 7 out of every 10 adults who are dissatisfied with their sleep also experience mild or greater levels of depressive symptoms. We also saw elevated levels of depressive symptoms in individuals who experience only 2 nights per week of difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, and in individuals who do not get the NSF recommended 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. So in fact, there is a quite clear and strong relationship between our sleep health and mental health. The National Sleep Foundation is committed to helping anyone and everyone be their best slept self. Towards this end, we recommend 6 small steps that everyone can engage in. During the day, we encourage people to get exposure to bright light, especially during the morning hours, to be more physically active, and to eat their meals at consistent times. In the evening hours, we want people to avoid nicotine, alcohol, caffeine, and heavy meals before bed. We want everyone to enjoy a nice, relaxing wind-down routine that involves putting their electronics away, and to allow that important 7 to 9 hours per night of sleep. And finally, we want people to sleep in sleep-friendly environments. Keep your bedroom cool, keep it quiet, and keep it dark. Finally, importantly, in our poll, we found that adults who practice high levels of these healthy sleep behaviors, not only do they have better sleep health, but they also are free of significant levels of depressive symptoms. Now, there's still more progress to be made. On average, the typical US adult engages in only about 60% of possible healthy sleep behaviors across the course of a typical week. Much more awareness and work to be done. On that note, I encourage all viewers to visit us online at thensf.org for more information on how you can become your best slept self.
This has been the Teaching Your Toddler podcast with Mary Jo Tinlin. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you'll find us on our website at teachingyourtoddler.com, as well as on Facebook at Teaching Your Toddler, on Instagram, and on Twitter at Teaching Toddler. So join us again, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you so much.